Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add comment on draw.io. Now first just open up the diagram on draw.io, come here and click on this icon, and then just toggle on shapes. Now if it's already toggled on, that's perfect. You'll see a lot of different shapes. Now to make it easier, you can just come here and search it up, just search for comment, and you'll find all the shapes that let you add comments. So let's pick this one right here. So you can drag and drop this, or you can just click on it and then move it anywhere you like on your diagram. Of course, you can easily resize it as such. And to add a comment or text, you can just double click there, and now we can type. So let's type in our channel name, Answer ASAP. Of course, you can easily increase the font size as well. Just make sure you have it highlighted while you're doing it. And as you can see, that is how you add comment in draw.io.